Hola bafethu, Tozabantu on your screen. Here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. As you know, Nani Kazi, I'm not alone. I'm with
Shapa fethu kunjani Kamara 19 focus well Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. We are back with another one. Here's what I put.
Yebo Baba. Before we just go on to today's episode, would like to appreciate the support that we've been getting. Uh, Guys, continue subscribing. We will promise you one thing and one thing only, to continue releasing the content. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. PSL Awards, my man.
Nomination.
Yeah, my nominees. First, let's start with the bigger ones. Maybe player of the season.
Player.
Yeah, player of the season. I think it's only two. Who's there?
Ribeiro.
It's Ribeiro and Mfukeng.
It's just two.
Yeah, it's just two. Then player of the season, it's three. There's
Okay,
Mahalo.
player, ne?
Yes.
Akekho lo mchita wasukhona kule player.
No, it's
Only-
on player of the season.
They should have put him on
Yes.
player. In that nomination list, I think player.
Yeah. Players,
Take it.
player.
Or
it's
Ribeiro
just
is
only
in
two.
there. I think Ribeiro might take it.
Which one do you prefer, or which one you think deserves it?
Okay, Ribeiro deserve a player of the season.
Let's go. Check
It's tricky. I don't know what's the criteria. Is it voted by players?
Yes.
So for me, I think players, considering Mfukeng is young, could be lenient and then vote for Itoan. But Ribeiro deserve it.
Okay. I also think Ribeiro deserves it.
Yeah.
There will be a sympathy vote.
Yeah.
We're gonna say
because it's a small boy, but
yeah.
but impela ubuke nokuthi but
outstanding.
Intwana nayo it's been impactful in crucial games.
True.
So you cannot take away that.
Yeah,
then Ribeiro has been consistent, but in every game. But sometimes when you need him the most, he doesn't show up. So
on those
it's tricky.
games.
Yeah.
Yeah. Another thing I think that we need to clarify, according to our opinion, this thing of PSL awards. I'm not sure. Maybe other people will comment. You can comment, guys. Just enlighten us. But the way we see it, because we had a talk offline, it should be that we count everything, not only PSL.
Yeah.
I don't know what you guys say about that. Let us know on the comments.
Do we ignore all the tournaments? Or what?
It's all embodied by
Yes.
the PSL.
So if you're saying player of the season, PSL, what are you looking at? You're looking at only the league, or do you include all the domestic cups?
True. Moving on, let's talk about a player of the season, because you already spilled the beans.
Player of the season. Player of the season does what? There's the Lumchito.
Okay, there's Skeleton Mahaula, and then there's two, Rele Mfukeng and Ribeiro.
Okay, it's open for discussion.
Yes,
but again, we'll give it to Ribeiro.
I think that for me, I took this Ribeiro. I know the guys from Marabastad.
Yeah, they talk too much.
They talk too much.
Nominees
they try to be relevant by all means.
Yeah.
This one, let's give it to them.
I think Ribeiro, yeah.
Cooking. He has been cooking. Yeah. Okay, moving right along. Let's talk about the defender of the season.
Fan of the season.
Yes, the nominees are Osibisi, Ukoza, and Mloisana. Thabo Mloisana. Koza is a Mamelodi Sundowns defender.
Yeah, I know. The Mloisana is from Stellenbosch.
Yes.
I think I will give it to Mloisana. Yeah. It's been superb.
All right. I know.
It's been superb. Especially, I've seen even how they're playing. Go Calf Confed. It's been amazing, that boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, it's either Uye or Sbis.
Yeah,
Because I
yeah.
think the boy Malbongo.
Because I was not
Kwanzaa-
consistent in playing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true. So it's hard. Yes,
Yeah.
it was a breakout season, yeah, this one, and he played well when.
Yeah,
given the opportunity.
for being nominated for him, it's like it shows that his
Mm.
work is being recognized.
Yes.
But looking at Sibisi and Maloy
Yeah.
Sane, so it's
Yeah.
between the two, but I will give it to Maloy Sane.
Okay. Goalkeeper of the season.
I saw it. It's China.
It's China. It's
That one from Mackenzie.
yeah.
Chipezaz
Chipezeze and
and
Ronda.
William. Okay. I'll give it to.
Say it, Baba.
I
say
wouldn't
it.
give it to Shahid. That's why.
Okay. Why?
When's it?
Okay.
I'll give it to Chipezaz.
All right. When's it?
Is this season that they won
The Carling Cup.
yes, they won the Carling
Yes.
Cup. Has been instrumental in that team, Baba.
Only the Carling Cup.
Yeah. I'll give it to him because they're a new team, small team, and he's been superb. Okay. Look at the two keepers. They're playing for big teams. What did they achieve?
Throughout the season,
Rowan
Sundowns
Williams was
won the
injured.
league.
Somehow he was injured and not
Oh,
playing.
yeah, but China has been there throughout all the cups that we played.
And only won one.
Yeah,
Same as Chip
and
agree?
he's number 2, and they were beaten in the final for Nedbank Cup.
My case has been using one consistent keeper. At some point, you use Buthelezi.
But you can't count that as it's just to
Consistent.
give game time.
Don't be biased on this thing.
I'm
I
not being
understand it's your
biased.
goalkeeper, but no, let's give it to Chipezeze.
Okay, you give
Yes.
it to Chipezeze.
Yes.
All right. Moving on, the middle fielder of the season, it's Mukwena from Sundowns, Ayende from Sundowns, and Makaula from Bayern.
Those midfielders are all weak.
This one is supporting, guys.
I mean, like,
It's supporting. You can't. turn a blind eye on
look.
Ayende.
Okay. Yeah, Ayende is.
Yeah,
Yes.
you can't. turn a
Zoktena-
blind eye.
Zoktena
There's
Ayende.
no midfielder.
Okay,
like
let's look at
Ayende in South
Mukwena.
Africa.
Let's look at Mukwena.
Yeah.
Mukwena, you were talking about stats.
Yeah.
What did he do?
I think
For what?
one assist this season.
He scored a free kick against Chiefs, right?
Uh,
When we beat them 2-1 on Nedbank. Is it right?
I'm not sure, but okay, we can confirm that.
Yeah. It's because we know how good he can be, but not that he was good this season
To be nominated.
to be nominated.
Okay.
It's more like if you want to say you want to put Umshish, Uzwan, because we know how good is he. But what did he do? Fuck all.
But Umshish didn't get an opportunity to. even
I'm just
get-
saying. But
Yeah,
Mukwena
nominated.
didn't give us anything.
Okay.
And then looking at McKesson, I'll give it to him though.
Okay,
I know he has with
McKesson.
our dad, but I'll give it. That guy has been a soldier.
Okay.
Even go finally,
Yeah.
took him out, then isn't it ours?
Mina, my thing with Makaula Mzod is just that he wins the ball, he gives it to the opponent.
But he's a
back.
fighter. That
He's
But
a
he's a
fighter,
fighter.
yes. But there's nothing in Ngati where I ends to contribute to the play. Now we have Abondoli. We'll talk about them some other time.
Yeah.
Once they start.
Yeah, we're talking
to
about the
play.
previous season. So
Yes.
previous season you were using him and you benefited with his work. So I'll give it to him.
Okay. Hey, we don't have a striker.
Okay, this is doesn't
Yeah.
call him push or something.
Okay, let's talk about the one which caused a lot of sound. We
Social media.
Most promising. I think it's
Nedbank.
Nedbank Cup. Yes,
Yeah.
most promising player.
I think we have Paris players. We had Goto, we had Urile,
Yes.
and then we had Chilpi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, firstly, you want me to speak about the nominees. It's wrong to have only those players.
Yeah.
Chiefs deserve to have Utuba there.
Hey,
Chiefs deserve to have Utuba there. Nedbank. When you talk about Nedbank,
yeah.
Yeah, we deserve to have him there.
Yeah.
Not OTLP. Good Nedbank.
With Nedbank.
I
But
not
TLP played the whole of Nedbank.
base. And then you lost the final because
One
he miskicked the
opportunity
ball.
makes a player that bad.
So why Dubai is not there? What's your argument?
Mina, he had a good season. Why when you were targeting one player?
In Nedbank, he's been vocal about it. Bekadlala futhi nasegroundini. uDuba has been there.
Okay.
Why uDuba is not nominated?
All right.
Phendula.
No, let's move on.
You see?
I don't want
You
us
see?
to argue about this because I think it's Chiefs fans. Let's talk about the player of the tournament for Nedbank.
Player of the tournament is Kaizer Chiefs players,
Yeah.
right?
Which one
Let's
do
give
you-
it to Pulemode.
Pulimodi.
Yeah,
Okay.
Pulemode.
Okay, guys, tell us.
Yeah, you can comment.
It's all our opinions here.
Yeah.
Everyone
But
has
Pulemode,
got their
Baba,
own
I think
opinion about
Blue Chiefs is the only one.
the
You know, Makolomani,
nominees. Yeah.
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 So Pulemode, I'll give it to him.
Okay. Moving right along. The last man standing for MTN 8.
Really?
Okay, it's really.
I don't know.
I think Pasadini.
It's because
Really. Yes.
it's because he was Uxizile Google MTN 8, so it's the last man standing for me.
All right.
Yeah, I'll give it to Aurel.
Really.
So out of all these awards, Aurel, I'm only giving him one.
Yeah.
Okay, youngest player who's gonna take it. We didn't talk about
young
it.
player of the season. Yes.
Young player is gonna take it.
Yeah, that one is the
Yeah.
well deserved one.
Yeah.
Another thing that I like about the young player is that he's under 21.
Yeah.
That's young. If you had other person in mind who's 22 or 21 for that
Yeah.
match, just know that the category
Child.
is looking for people or the players who are under 21.
Correct.
Period. Okay, moving on, my man. Let's forget about the awards now. Talk about pre-season Kaizer Chiefs just to wrap it up. How do you see it? Is there progress? Because by now we should be talking about the team starting to gel. Maybe it's a bit early for gelling, but you almost know what would be the ideal lineup for you.
For what I've seen, Kaizer Chiefs, I think I told you, for what I've seen, Kaizer Chiefs is cooking something, right?
Yeah.
But I don't think it was a good idea, this thing of playing my games today and tomorrow. Because it's hard even to play your best starting 11, because maybe you started with it yesterday and then they're playing again tomorrow. You can't put them. They're tired or something. Then now you're changing, chopping, changing. So it didn't give them time to rest, to say, okay, we played 2 days ago, and then now we can see. I'm sure even fans are confused. They don't even know. They don't even know what's Nabi's best 11.
Yeah.
You know, and then when he subs, it get complicated. You have Matlo, you have Uzwane, they're giving us nothing. But because it's more like want every player to be fit, so it's giving everyone a chance. But we would have seen Kaizer Chiefs is cooking. It's playing. But I'm worried. I'm worried about one thing. The fact that I think we've considered 8 or 9 goals, which means there's still a problem with our defense, particularly in the polls. So I don't know. I don't think Upros will be playing this season much if we don't buy a keeper. Maybe it's about Peterson. But then Umakati, obviously, totally is over the competition. But overall, I think Kaizer Chiefs will come all right. But they still do need to buy a few players.
Yeah.
Particularly in the striker, we don't have. We don't have a goal poucher. We don't have a finisher. But overall, I think they had a good preseason. So yeah. They will cook PSL teams.
We are expecting them to cook it, to cook us. Let's put it that way. Okay. Let's talk about Nkotha. Nkotha Pella, we heard that he got
Where's the Mali oil?
Yeah,
it's a good move for the boy. I think we did touch on it. I haven't told you he's young, so the challenge. We did spoke about it in the last video. I remember.
Okay.
So I saw videos. He's enjoying my trainer and my teammates. It seems like Bam will come up.
Yeah,
So we're looking forward to the season.
true. We hope he adds
Yeah.
value to that team and represent us well.
Yeah.
Urele, we had some fake news confirmed by Pirates that Sokala Dumas, whatever news.
It's so colored too, man.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Eh,
Yeah, we saw those news to say Urele PSV they offer I think 120 or 100 million, something like that. Then Pirates came and said, that's not true.
mm.
We talk about our journalists.
We
Talk
talk
about this.
yeah, I
They
think
report
it's
fake
two-
news.
2 episodes back.
Yes,
we
they
did
report
two
fake
things.
news.
Yeah.
You know this thing of I said it first.
Yeah.
Everyone has to say I said it first. You're saying first the wrong things.
Mm.
So now sokuthemba kanjani? Even though you commit the right, we will never trust you.
Can't.
So journalists is stop it, Lente.
Yeah,
Get your
man.
facts right and then report.
True.
Yeah.
Another thing, we don't see things coming with Pirates, especially.
Yeah.
We just only see them boom.
They didn't
wake up to
look, they didn't report that Quarter is going.
Yes. We are all surprised.
Yes.
We-
So now they're trying to push a narrative because Quarter is going.
Yeah.
People will believe us if we say relay is going.
Yes.
No, guys, no.
you
this thing.
mustn't mislead us,
Wow.
guys. Okay, in closing, let's touch on the predictions. Today
Yeah,
Pirates
yeah.
is playing. I know.
Udlala nani?
Udlala nani
Liphi
when
ihlathi
we play?
udlala nani?
Oh, so you say so. We're playing Las Palmas today.
Okay.
Yes, Las Palmas at 7
It's 7
p.m.
It's either you draw or you lose today.
Okay, so this is a Chiefs fan, guys, coming from a Chiefs fan. It's only biased.
You're not
to
winning.
Kaizer Chiefs.
You're not winning today.
Okay. Banyana is playing on
Senegal.
Saturday
With Senegal.
with Senegal.
It's a must-win game. We're
Yeah.
defending champions. We need to win. Especially match Sigma knockout stage is no time to waste. And you saw in our last game, we used Lamin proper clean sheet. So I hope we're not getting surprises from the coach. And then I change the goalkeeper. Group stages, man. We need to win this AFCON.
Score. Give us a score. Baba.
Score, but yeah, they might concede. Let's say 2-1 or 3-1.
All right. I would say 1-0.
1-0.
Yeah. For me,
Champion score.
Banyana 1-0.
They are winning.
Yeah, they're winning.
They'll concede.
They will concede. That's what you're saying.
Okay.
Not when Zamini is on the goal post.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, guys, just keep on subscribing. Keep on subscribing. We appreciate you. You don't know how much we put this together, like how much happens on the background.
Yeah.
Just to make sure that you guys are happy. Now, guys, just make sure that you are there with us. Man.
Yeah, like you say, you're
Closing.
support, subscribe, guys, tell a friend to tell a friend and tell another friend that Football Fusion is Boom, we're out.
Yeah.